Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Altima front bumper. First, let's prepare. You'll need a few key tools: a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. Having a new bumper ready is crucial. Always work on a level surface and engage your parking brake to ensure safety throughout the entire process. This preparation step is vital for a smooth and efficient replacement. Now, let's get to removing the old bumper. Begin by locating and removing all the plastic clips and screws that secure the bumper to the fender liners and undercarriage. There are typically around 10 to 12 clips and screws. If your Altima has fog lights, carefully disconnect their electrical connectors. Once all fasteners are removed, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle, releasing it from its mounting points. Take your time to avoid damaging paint. With the old bumper off, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new bumper with the vehicle's mounting points. Gently push it into place, ensuring all tabs and clips engage correctly. If your Altima has fog lights, remember to reconnect their wiring harnesses before fully securing the bumper. Then, reinsert all the screws and plastic clips you removed earlier, working in reverse order. Ensure everything is snug and secure for a perfect fit. Before you're completely finished, perform a few final checks. Go around the entire bumper and double-check every screw and clip to ensure it's securely fastened. Test all your lights, especially the fog lights, to confirm they are working properly. Finally, give your new bumper and the surrounding areas a good clean. This ensures a polished, professional finish and confirms your successful Nissan Altima front bumper replacement. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.